Whether or not you can stay friends with your ex largely depends on the specific circumstances of your relationship and the individuals involved. While some people are able to maintain a platonic friendship after a romantic relationship ends, it may not be possible or advisable for everyone. Here are a few factors to consider. Mutual desire. Both parties should genuinely want to maintain a friendship and be willing to invest the time and effort required. If one person still has lingering feelings or the breakup was particularly acrimonious, it might be challenging to establish a healthy friendship. Time and space. It is often beneficial to take some time apart after a breakup to heal and gain perspective. Rushing into a friendship immediately after the end of a romantic relationship can complicate the healing process and hinder personal growth. Time and distance can help both individuals move on and potentially pave the way for a friendship down the line. Emotional boundaries. Establishing clear emotional boundaries is crucial. It's essential to recognize that the dynamics of a friendship are different from those of a romantic relationship. Both individuals need to navigate their emotions and ensure that they don't fall into old patterns or expectations that may cause emotional turmoil. New partners. Consider how your new partners might feel about the friendship with an ex. Jealousy or discomfort from current partners can strain the friendship and potentially cause relationship issues. Open communication and reassurance are essential to maintain trust and address any concerns. Evaluate your motives. It's essential to examine your reasons for wanting to be friends with an ex. Are you genuinely interested in maintaining a platonic friendship, or are there unresolved feelings or hopes for reconciliation? Be honest with yourself and ensure that your intentions are clear. Ultimately, staying friends with an ex can be a positive experience if both individuals have moved on, established healthy boundaries, and genuinely enjoy each other's company. However, it's crucial to prioritize your emotional well-being and be prepared to let go if the friendship becomes unhealthy or hinders your personal growth.